Open on a shot of someone looking exhausted, surrounded by common household items. Have you ever felt that background hum of anxiety for no reason? That mental fog you just can't shake, no matter how much you sleep? You've tried meditation, cutting back on caffeine, but that feeling of being constantly on edge, it lingers. What if the cause wasn't just in your mind, but all around you, hidden in the very products you trust? Today, a doctor's warning reveals the everyday items silently sabotaging your peace and how to take your power back. That moment you lie in bed, exhausted but wired, your mind racing. You've done everything right. So why can't you just feel calm? We often search for solutions inside ourselves. More willpower, another self-help book. But what if we're looking in the wrong place entirely? What if our environment is working against us? Your home should be a sanctuary, a place of rest. But for many, it's a source of constant, low-grade stress. The air you breathe, the products you clean with, the light you bask in at night, they aren't inert. They're sending constant signals to your nervous system. Be alert. Be stressed. This is not safe. You feel it as anxiety, irritability, or that soul-deep fatigue. It's a silent siege on your senses, and you've been fighting this battle without even knowing it. But knowledge is power, because once you see the connection, you can't unsee it. And the path to peace becomes incredibly clear. So, what is this doing to your biology? Let's uncover the shocking science. Imagine your brain's command center flooded with static. That's the effect. This isn't just about physical toxins. It's about neurological ones. Substances that disrupt your delicate hormonal balance. They interfere with your cortisol, your stress hormone. It's supposed to spike and fall, but with constant exposure, it just stays high. Your body is in a perpetual state of low-grade alarm. Your thyroid, the master of your metabolism and energy, gets sluggish. And your neurotransmitters, the chemicals that regulate your mood, they get thrown completely out of whack. Serotonin for happiness, GABA for calm, dopamine for motivation. It's a chemical symphony, and these everyday items are the noise that drowns the music. The result? You feel overwhelmed by small tasks. You snap at loved ones. You crave sugar and carbs for a fleeting energy hit. You blame yourself for a lack of discipline. But what if it wasn't your fault? What if your environment was actively working against your biology? This is the hidden war for your well-being that it's time to identify the soldiers on the other side. Starting with the very air in your lungs, take a deep breath right now. What's in it? That fresh linen or ocean breeze sent from your plug-in air freshener. That's a cocktail of chemicals like phthalates. They're endocrine disruptors. They mimic your hormones and confuse your entire system. Your brain doesn't register it as fresh. It registers it as a threat. Your synthetic candles, your harsh cleaning sprays, they release volatile organic compounds, VOCs. You inhale them. They enter your bloodstream, and they tell your nervous system to stay on high alert. Your body is constantly fighting an invisible enemy. No wonder you feel drained. No wonder you can't find a moment of true peace. Your sanctuary has been compromised, but you can take it back. The solution isn't to live in a sterile lab. It's about simple, powerful swaps. Open a window. Let real fresh air in. Switch to essential oil diffusers or beeswax candles. Use vinegar and baking soda for cleaning. It's not just about a cleaner home. It's about a calmer mind. Non-stick pans. When heated, they can release toxic fumes and shed microplastics into your food. Plastic food containers, especially when warmed, they can leach chemicals like BPA into your meal. You are literally eating and drinking your stress. These chemicals are xenoestrogens, foreign estrogens that pile on top of your body's own. The result? Hormonal chaos. For women, it can mean worsened PMS and mood swings. For men, it can mean fatigue and low motivation. For everyone, it means inflammation. And new research shows a direct link between inflammation in the body and anxiety and depression in the brain. Your lunch could be feeding your fear. It sounds dramatic until you connect the dots. The plastic water bottle you sip from all day, the takeout container from last night. They are small, cumulative doses, a slow drip of disruption into your system. You already know to limit screen time before bed. But what about your light bulbs? The blue heavy LED lights that fill our homes. They are brilliant for efficiency and terrible for your circadian rhythm. This isn't just about sleep. It's about your fundamental daily rhythm, your energy, your mood. Blue light, especially after sunset, suppresses melatonin. That's the hormone that tells your body it's time to wind down, to repair, to rest. Without that clear signal, your body gets confused. Is it 2 p.m. or 10 p.m.? It doesn't know. So, your cortisol stays elevated. You feel tired but restless. You can't switch off. The solution is stunningly simple. Switch to warm-toned, dimmable bulbs in your bedroom and living areas after dark. Use blue light blocking glasses in the evening. It's not just about better sleep. It's about giving your brain the clear signal it needs to finally, fully relax. Step 1. The air swap. Ditch one synthetic air freshener for an essential oil diffuser. Start there. Step 2. The cleaner swap. Replace one harsh chemical cleaner with a natural alternative. You can even make it yourself. Step 3. The container swap. Swap one plastic container for glass or stainless steel. Just one. Step 4. The light swap. Change the bulbs in your bedside lamp to a warm amber tone. It takes 5 minutes. Step 5. The mindful minute. Each time you make a swap, acknowledge it. Say to yourself, I am creating a home that supports my peace. This rewires your brain for empowerment. This isn't a punishment. It's an act of profound self-care. Each small change is a message to your nervous system. You are safe here. You are building your sanctuary, one intentional swap at a time. Your energy is steady. Not a frantic, caffeine-fueled buzz, but a calm, resilient flow. The background anxiety, it's just gone, replaced by a sense of quiet control. This is what happens when your environment supports you instead of fights you. This is the 30-day transformation. It's not magic. It's biology. You've removed the static. You've turned down the noise. And now, your own inner voice, the one of calm, of intuition, of peace, can finally be heard. You're no longer a passive victim of your surroundings. You are the conscious architect of your well-being. The journey from overwhelmed to in control starts with a single, simple step. The power was always in this path to a more peaceful mind is one we are all walking together. If you're ready for more supportive steps, whether you're in the US, UK, Canada, or Australia, join our community. Subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments one small swap you're excited to make. Your journey inspires mine.